All right, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel without showing your face. I'm going to show you a channel that I built about a year ago, the success that I had on it, and I literally did it just to prove a point to my SKOOL community. I'll leave links to both my free SKOOL community and my paid SKOOL community below, but if you want to get access to the case study that I actually put together on this channel that I'm going to show you right now, then you want to make sure that you go and check out my YouTube affiliate accelerator SKOOL community, and you'll get full access to it and know the ins and outs on how I did this. And of course, we're going to be putting together 8 calls per month for those that pick up and join the YouTube affiliate accelerator SKOOL community. But if you're looking to get started for free, then you can join the free community below as well. Okay, so let's jump in real quick. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to switch my YouTube account. I have several YouTube accounts here. We're going to go click on this one. This channel right over here, you can see it has 1,257 subscribers, and I have not touched this in almost a year. It's still getting 12 subscribers per month and still getting traffic, right? The last time I published a video was 259 days ago, which is over 8 months ago, and I have not published a video since. Now I want to go over to the analytics, and you'll be able to see if we go, and it's still getting almost 600 views per month, and we haven't even touched the channel in 8 months. So this is the power of YouTube, and all my videos on this channel I'm not on camera. I'm not showing my face. It's not like this channel where I'm on camera. Specifically, this is the only channel that I create where I'm actually on camera. It doesn't really make a difference, and I can be completely honest with you that I've actually tested being on camera and not being on camera, and they really don't make a difference. In fact, on one of my faceless channels the other day, I published a video and got 15,000 views, no advertising or anything, 15,000 views on that video. And and it was a faceless YouTube video where I'm just recording my screen and sharing knowledge, right? And so you do not have to be on camera to do this. And this is what I teach, right? And so what I want to do over here, and you can just see the stats for the last 28 days. If we come over here and we just go over to lifetime, you'll see that we had 36,000 views on this channel. There's about 30 videos published to it. It only took me about a month to publish all those videos. And you can literally see right over here, we published 7 videos in a short amount of time right there. And you can see just within a couple of month period, we published 30 videos. And this is where all the traffic came in from about November of 2023 through about January to February of 2024 this year, right? And that's where all the subscribers came, all the views and everything. And then I stopped publishing because I was doing a case study, and I just wanted to show people that what is possible going from 0 subscribers to over 1,200 subscribers, and how we were able to do that in a very short amount of time. So I could perhaps make a believer out of my students in my community, and also practice what I preach and just show you that, hey, I can pick almost any niche and just go and create a faceless YouTube channel, and I can grow it to 1,000 subscribers very quickly using my techniques, right? These are the techniques that I teach in my SKOOL communities. Make sure to go check those out below. But essentially, if we go and we look at the different content, right, we can go and look at the content right here. They're all faceless YouTube videos. So I'm going to go and look at the channel right over here, and we'll go on over to videos. And you can just hover over and see, look, faceless video. And this is what I teach. And look at some of these videos getting 1,000 views. Some of them, if we go into popular, got 7,000 views, 4,000 views, 3,000 views, 2,000 views, and so forth, right? So how do we do this, right? Like, you can go and check this channel out, Canva Creatives Hub, so cool. But if you want the details in the case study, you've got to be a subscriber of the paid SKOOL community, where I put together an entire course. I can go and show you that real quick. This is the free community. You guys are welcome to go and check it out right over here. I'm going to go over to the paid community YouTube affiliate accelerator, and I'll go into the classroom, and you'll be able to see that this is where the case study building your YouTube channel right over here, a full case study and updates right here. And this is like secrets and techniques that I use to grow the channel very quickly, all inside of the YouTube affiliate accelerator. Okay. One of the best kept secrets is the software that I use. You can use a number of different softwares to record your screen, and even some of your computer is going to come with its probably native app that you can use for free. You can use OBS. It's an open source software that you can record your screen. You can use Screencast-O-Matic, and you think you can record up to 5-minute videos, but you're going to want the paid version, which literally comes out to like $3 a month. There's no excuse when it comes to the software. Now, as I've done this for the last 4 years full time, I've kind of graduated to my favorite software to do all this, which is Descript, because I'm able to do all the back-end editing within just a couple of clicks and push a button, and then it renders my video and all the silences, right? So if I pause right now, and then I take like a 5-minute break while I'm still recording the screen, later on in the editing process, it will automatically shrink that down to less than a half a second, right? Because you want the video to keep going. You want to be talking in your video the entire time, because you're not going to get people watching. Most people are not going to watch 100% of any YouTube video, right? But when you look at the short form content that has taken over these platforms the last few years, people have a lot shorter attention span. So they don't want to sit there and watch something on screen where you're not talking and teaching the entire time. So you want to get rid of what's called word gaps or silences in your videos. Descript does that instantly, right? So I will leave a link below. You can go check out Descript. I believe you can sign up for a free trial, but I'll leave a link below to that as well. So essentially, if you pick up a tool like Descript, you'll be able to record. I'm recording my screen and recording myself on camera all within Descript right now. And then when I'm done, I can take this in and I can edit the video very quickly with just a couple clicks of a button. It'll also get rid of what's called filler words. Those are all of your if I say it right now, it's going to get rid of it, so it won't even make sense in the video, right? But basically, they're filler words, words that people say, and they're noises that people say. And when we are thinking of our next topic, especially the types of videos that I teach you how to do, which are unscripted, you just push record and then you talk, and you go and you take people on a path and show them your screen and you just talk. You don't spend an hour or 2 hours writing a YouTube script and then perfecting it and then recording the voiceover and then matching everything up. There's no reason to do all that. You can build really valuable content and get good at it. And after recording over 2,000 videos like this, I can tell you that it's just so easy to push record and just start talking right now. Over the last couple of minutes, I probably haven't really even said much, but I continue to keep talking because I've got a lot to say and I'm very passionate about this, right? So obviously, if you pick a niche that you're knowledgeable about, you're always going to have something to say about it. And the content is just going to flow out of your mouth, if you will, right? Another technique that I teach is doing software reviews. And a really cool thing you can do is go and log in for a free trial of the software that you're going to do a software unboxing or review on, right? Go spend 5 minutes just getting to know the software. And then when you go to do your software review, you already have a good idea of what the software can do. And so you kind of are able to come up with talking points and talk about the software already, because that's one of the biggest things that people have struggle with is the introduction. When they push record, they just kind of get nervous and scared or whatever. But really, another technique is just to make sure that you are recording several videos and practicing, go and record 10 videos and don't publish them. Get good at it. And then you'll be to the point where you can just push record and go for it, right? So I hope this video brought some motivation and value to you, because if you can come in here and go and look at my faceless YouTube channels, make sure to subscribe, because I'll show you another one of my faceless YouTube channels that I've taken so many of them to over 1,000 subscribers, and I can't possibly create enough content for all of them in order to grow them. But what I am going to be doing as a test is I'm going to probably be ramping up. I'm thinking about ramping up this Canva Creatives Hub again and really taking it to the 10,000 subscriber mark, really trying to actually turn this into a money-making asset. And if you want to follow along the journey, then make sure to like this video and subscribe, because I'll keep doing updates on this. And if you want further, like the details of the analytics, and you just really want to know all about this YouTube thing and how to really make this work the simple, easy way that I teach how to do affiliate marketing and YouTube, then make sure to go check out my 2 SKOOL communities below. I hope to see you join one of them. I appreciate your time and thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.